Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate EasyPost shipping labels for US orders step by step clearly. To activate EasyPost shipping labels for US orders, begin by logging into your EasyPost account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section on your dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate the API Keys tab and click on it. Here, you will find your API key required for integration. Copy the API key for later use. Next, open your e-commerce platform where you manage your orders. Access the shipping settings within your platform's configuration. Look for the option to integrate with third-party shipping services. Select EasyPost from the list of available services. Paste your copied API key into the designated field for EasyPost. Save the changes to apply the integration. Now, go to the Orders section of your e-commerce dashboard. Select an order that you want to create a shipping label for. In the Order Details page, find the shipping options. Choose EasyPost as your shipping service. Enter the shipment details, including weight and dimensions. Click on the button to generate your shipping label. Review the generated label for accuracy. Once confirmed, you can print or download the shipping label. Finally, attach the label to your package and prepare it for shipment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.